Let's talk about shipping experience story today. LTL, less than truckload, shipping drivers come to pick up cargo, but in the end, they don't take it? Have you encountered a similar situation? There are several common reasons why this might happen. First, the cargo not palletized. LTL shipping requires that items be placed on pallets or in boxes that can be lifted by a forklift. If it's just a single box, many drivers may refuse to take it, as LTL services involve multiple pickups and deliveries, so the shipping company needs to ensure that the cargo can be easily moved with a forklift. Solution: package the items on a pallet or in a forklift-friendly box. Second, insufficient space on the truck. Sometimes, the LTL driver may realize upon arrival that there isn't enough space for your cargo. Solution: ask the driver to return the next day and contact the shipping company to confirm the pickup appointment for the following day. Third, warehouse staff unclear on which items to pick up. This often occurs when multiple clients share the same warehouse service and there are communication issues. Solution: clearly indicate which item to pick up on the bill of lading, BOL, or communicate with the warehouse staff about which shipping company will be collecting your cargo. Fourth, excessive waiting time for the driver at the pickup location. LTL drivers typically spend about 15 minutes at each pickup point. If they wait too long, they may leave to make their next appointment. Solution: try to have your items outside during the morning to minimize the driver's waiting time. Successful pickups and transportation require coordination and cooperation between the sender and the shipping company. By understanding the LTL shipping process, we can ensure that every shipment goes smoothly. Thank you for your watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell for more savvy shipping strategies.